Hi, I am Vinay Rana from VPerfectCS. We build practical Odoo and AI automation solutions. In this video, we will explore manufacturing sales/purchase and demand forecast, menu forecast. Navigate to the forecast menu to access the manufacturing and demand forecasting dashboard. Visible on sale order. The forecast progress is directly visible on the sale order, showing overall fulfillment. Forecast. The forecast list view shows all products with their demand status, purchase or manufacture progress. Forecast graph. Switch to the forecast graph for a visual breakdown of manufacturing versus purchase demand across. Forecast manufacture product form. For manufactured products, configure work orders and work centers as the manufacturing order. Forecast by product form. For purchased products, confirm the purchase order and complete the receipt, the progress. Demand. The demand view calculates forecasted quantities per product, helping you plan purchasing and production ahead. Demand graph. The demand graph visualizes trends in forecasted demand, giving data-driven insights for supply chain planning.